One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.